Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Sophie Jordan, and if you're joining me for the first time, then please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification button if you would like to be notified every time I upload a new video. So in this week's video, we are away from hair. We're not going to be touching any hair this week. We're going to be doing something different. I got some storage jars from IKEA and B&M, and I thought, why not share with you guys what I will be, or how I will be reorganizing my cupboard. Now, I have had a look at some other YouTubers and channels that have reorganized, and I must say I was inspired. So I hope you're also inspired to do your cupboard. We'll leave the links in the description box. That way, if you like anything, you can easily find it. Yeah. But anyway, without saying too much or any more talking, let's get right into the video. So these are the jars we got from IKEA. These with flavors on top of them. And these other ones, these I got them from B&M for £3, and I got these for £1.99. I got these for £6 something, and I got these for £5 something. I think I have a feeling it's 50-50, and I think I got these at £3 or £2. Actually, not £3, £3.50. I got this for £3.50. I'm not yet sure what I'm going to do with them or how I'm going to organize them, but we'll see. So I start off by washing the jars in hot soapy water, and I found that this made it easy for me to remove the stickers as opposed to removing them while they're dry or in cold water. I then went ahead and dried the jars with a paper towel and left them to air dry while I cleaned the other jars. I won't show you guys how I filled every single jar because this would be an hour-long video, and I just like videos that just get straight to the point and not show every single thing. Like, I don't want to have to wait like so long. Like, just show me what you did, give me an idea kind of thing. And that's basically what I'm trying to do with you guys, is give you an idea of what I did and not show everything, because we don't need to make unnecessary long videos. So my husband told me not to put the noodles in like that, like take them out of their pack. He said because the silver lining inside the noodle pack allows it to be preserved for a very long period of time. So now, because I've done that, we'll have to eat those noodles in like, I think 2 weeks time, like throughout the whole 2 weeks or something of that sort. But don't do that, guys. Don't do that. So this is how everything turned out in the end, and I must say that I am really pleased. However, I think I got too many jars. I think I got carried away with the shopping. But you're better off having too many jars and not needing them than needing them and not having them, if you know what I mean. You're better off having something and keeping it as an extra. I'm sure something will come up. In fact, actually, yes, something did come up. I'm thinking of maybe making one of them a snacks jar. One of them already has some biscuits, some shortbread biscuits, but I'm also planning on making another extra jar for like sweets or maybe healthy snacks. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this type of content. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment, and do not forget to share it with somebody. Share it with your neighbor, your brother, your sister, your uncle, your auntie. Like, share it with everybody. I'll see you all in my next video, but for now we can chat in the comment section. So cheerio.